Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best needle oil bottle is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who works with intricate machinery, delicate electronics, or even for hobbyists engaged in detailed crafts, as it allows for precise application of lubricants exactly where they are needed, preventing waste and ensuring optimal performance of your valuable equipment. This seemingly simple device can be the difference between smooth operation and costly repairs, making its selection a critical decision for maintaining the longevity and efficiency of your tools and devices. Number 5. BTAS Gun Cleaner and Lubricant Combo Kit. Introducing the BTAS Gun Cleaner and Lubricant Combo Kit. This all-in-one solution simplifies your gun maintenance routine, acting as your cleaner, lubricant, and protectant. Ensure long-lasting protection for your firearm and maintain its top accuracy. This kit keeps your gun in optimal condition for every use. Achieve precise application with the included needle oiler. It's perfect for reaching rails and tight spots, reducing friction and wear on critical components. This powerful formula deeply and quickly cleans springs, moving parts, and removes dirt and gunpowder residue. It works effectively on various firearm components. It's safe for home use and storage, ideal for cleaning a wide range of firearms. It's suitable for metal, carbon, wood, polymers, and more. Rely on its performance in any weather condition. Tested from -65°F to 400°F, it won't freeze or drip, ensuring your firearm is always ready. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive solution for gun maintenance, combining cleaning, lubrication, and protection in one kit. Its precise needle oiler ensures even the hardest-to-reach areas are covered, reducing friction and wear. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-weather solution for your firearms, this is an excellent choice. What people say. A lot less friction now. I love the thin needle applicator. This cleaner, lubricant and protectant takes all of the work out of looking after your guns. Bolt, barrel, stock. It works on it all and the action is much smoother for it. Number 4. ELANE Hair Oiler Comb Bottle 4-Pack. Introducing the ELANE Hair Oiler Comb Bottle. This innovative tool makes applying hair oil to your roots a breeze, ensuring even distribution for healthier hair. With its unique comb applicator, you can precisely target your scalp. Say goodbye to messy applications and hello to nourished roots. This pack includes 4 comb bottles in pink, purple, white, and black. Choose the color that best suits your style or organize them for different treatments. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the bottle allows for easy refilling and controlled dispensing. It's designed for your ultimate convenience. Regularly using this applicator can help improve scalp health and promote hair growth. Experience the difference of targeted hair oiling. This 4-pack provides a complete solution for your hair oiling needs. Keep one in your bathroom, travel bag, or anywhere you need a quick hair treatment. What we like. This set provides a convenient way to apply hair oil directly to the scalp. The precise applicator helps target roots for better absorption and effectiveness. If you're focused on scalp health and targeted hair oil treatments, these bottles are perfect for your needs. What people say. The needle oil bottle is designed with a precision applicator for accurate oil dispensing. It features a leak-proof cap, preventing spills and ensuring the oil stays contained. The bottle's compact size makes it easy to store and carry, ideal for on-the-go maintenance. Number 3. 6 PCS Injection Squeeze Bottle Set. Introducing a versatile set of squeeze bottles designed for a wide range of applications. This package includes multiple sizes to suit all your needs. Achieve precise application with the included dispensing needles and caps. They are perfect for everything from industrial adhesives to e-liquids and essential oils. Whether for industrial, agricultural, or DIY projects, these bottles are incredibly useful. They are also great for hobby crafts and home applications. Crafted for durability and ease of use, these bottles are a reliable choice. Their design ensures a comfortable grip and controlled dispensing. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for accurate dispensing. It's an essential addition for any workshop or crafting space. What we like. This package offers a variety of bottle sizes and needle tip options for precise dispensing. It's suitable for a wide range of uses, from industrial adhesives to hobby crafts and e-liquids. If you need versatile dispensing tools for various projects, this set provides great flexibility. What people say. Bottles and needles work great with liquid flux and plastic cement. The needle is great for intricate pieces. Perfect for use with alcohol and inks. Number 2. 5 to 1 ounce bottles with stainless needle tip. Introducing our 5-pack of 1 ounce dispensing bottles, designed for all your oil needs. Each bottle features a medical-grade stainless steel needle for accurate application. Crafted from the highest quality soft low-density polyethylene, these bottles are built to handle a wide variety of liquids with ease. They offer flexibility and durability for everyday use. The combination of the flexible bottle and the precision 18-gauge needle applicator ensures you can dispense any liquid exactly where you want it, without any messy drips. The 1.5-inch stainless steel needle features a patented lure lock for a secure connection. This design allows you to easily reach even the most difficult spots. Each bottle comes with a leak-proof needle cap, perfect for saving any unused liquid for later. You can store your oils with confidence, knowing they are protected. Experience unmatched quality with this pharmaceutical-grade product. It's designed for precision, reliability, and ease of use in all your dispensing tasks. What we like. These bottles feature medical-grade construction with a precision stainless steel needle applicator and a secure lure lock. The leak-proof cap ensures no waste of your valuable liquids. If you require exact dispensing for oils, glues, or other fine liquids and prioritize a pharmaceutical-grade product, these are ideal. What people say. The needle oiler is a great tool for applying oil precisely where it is needed. It is easy to use and control the amount of oil dispensed. The bottle is made of durable material and does not leak. Number 1. ProShot 1 ounce Zero Friction Needle Oiler, ZF1. Introducing the Zero Friction Needle Oiler. It's designed for precise application, reaching those hard-to-get to spots. With advanced anti-wear additives and antioxidants, it ensures superior smooth performance on all moving metal parts. This oil provides exceptional protection, keeping your equipment running flawlessly. Proudly made in the USA from domestic components, you can trust in its quality and reliability. Its specialized design makes it perfect for hunting applications, ensuring your gear is always ready. What we like. This oiler is designed with a special formula containing anti-wear additives for superior performance on metal parts. It's perfect for reaching those difficult spots that traditional methods miss. If you prioritize smooth operation and long-lasting protection for moving metal components, this is the product for you. What people say. The bottle is made of soft plastic, making it easy to squeeze. It has a long, thin metal tip that allows for precise application of oil. The cap screws on securely, preventing leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.